Hey there, so welcome back. So we'll start from where we left in our earlier lecture. So as you can see, right now we are in the detached head state and we can return back to our original state by doing this git checkout master. So let's type out the command git checkout master. Let me just increase the display size. Okay, before that I think it will be better if we clear the screen and we'll do a git checkout master. Press enter. So here it says clearly that the head position was at 8541 DO6. So this was actually the head position. So right now we have returned back to our master branch, which means the head position is at this position. Okay, so let's clear the screen and let's get back to our detached head state, which was this one. Press enter. So let's clear the screen once again. Now in this detached head state, you can look at files, you can even compile the project, run test. Also, you can edit files without worrying about losing the current state of the project. So whatever you do here will not be saved in your repository. So if we do a git log here, git log dash dash one line, press enter, you can see since the head points here, you can only visualize these 3 commits. And if you remember earlier, there were around 5 commits. So let's now try to do a commit here. We'll edit the file robots.txt. Press enter, press I key to insert, and we insert here a line. So if you remember, our last edit was written as line 5. So let's introduce a line 6 here and just test it out what happens. Press escape key :WQ to quit and save. So let's commit the changes we made right now and we'll do an express commit. So as you can see, the command has extended in the next line because the prompt has grown much bigger in size. So we'll do an express commit, and remember this is our 6th commit. So here we do our 6th commit, press enter, and the commit is done. We can confirm it using the git log dash dash one line, press enter, and you can see here the commit is pretty much visible here. Now the funny thing which you will see right now, if we do a git checkout master, this commit will simply vanish. Now as I said earlier, nothing you do here will be permanent unless and until you create a branch out of it. So let's press enter, and as you can see here, git warns us that we are leaving one commit behind, and if we want to keep our changes permanent, we need to create a new branch. So we'll clear the screen and we'll just check the log, git log one line, press enter, and we cannot see the commit anywhere, the 6th commit as we did right now. So what we'll do here, we'll go back to our detached head state, which is this one, and press enter. Let's clear the screen and let's check what is the state of our file robots.txt. And well, as you can see here, the line 6 we introduced while we edited earlier in the detached head state is no more there. Hence it confirms that again whatever you do here will not be permanent until and unless we create a new branch. So let's edit the file once again. Let's clear the screen first and let's add the 6th line once again. Press I key to insert and we scroll down, press enter, and here goes the line 6. Press escape key :WQ to quit and save, and here we'll do an express commit. So let's retrieve our express commit command. and here you go. So we did a 6 commit, so it's out there in the cache. Let's press enter and the commit is done. Now if we go back, which means if we do a git checkout master once again, the commit will not be retained, which you saw earlier. So for this purpose, we need to create a branch. So it will be git checkout -b, and you have to provide a branch name. The command is extended into the next line, as you can see. So let's name the branch new branch and let's press enter, and here we are in the new branch. So if we do a git log here --1 line, press tab to complete, press enter, and here you go. You can see the 6th commit visible very much here. That means you have retained our commit. However, if we switch back to master once again, of course the commit will not be visible. So let's do that. Let's check out the master once again. We'll use this command git master, press enter, and we do a git log once again --1 line, press enter, and here you go. So here there is no sign of the 6th commit, and the reason is pretty clear. The 6th commit we made was retained in the new branch, and as we said, the git checkout commit never modifies the current state of the project. Hence the 6th commit is not visible here. So let's clear the screen, and just to confirm things, we can use the cat command to check our file robots.txt here. Press enter, and nowhere you can see the line 6, which means our current state of our project has not been modified. However, if we check out the branch, which is a new branch, and press enter, let's clear the screen, and if we check the robot files here, you can see the line 6 here. So the change we made has been retained in this new branch we created. So just to summarize things, I'll reiterate whatever we explained earlier. So git checkout commit is an easy way to load saved snapshots or commits onto your machine, and this command will update all files in the working directory to match the specified commit. So once you do git checkout commit, it will put you in a detached head state. Checking out an old commit is a read-only operation, and it is impossible to harm your repository while viewing an old version. The current state of your project remains unaltered in the master branch. During the normal course of development, the head will point to master or some other local branch, but when you check out a previous commit, head no longer points to a branch, but it points directly to a commit, and this is called the detached head state. And whatever change you made in this detached head state is impermanent. You can retain your changes in your detached head state only when you create a new branch using the git checkout -b option, as I showed you a short while ago.